Decades ago, two scientists attempted the impossible. They wanted to create life from death. They built a chaotic miniature Earth: water, gas, steam, and electricity. It was the famous primordial soup. And surprisingly, it worked. Building blocks of life emerged from the chaos. It rewrote the textbooks. But there was a hidden flaw in their victory. A variable they ignored. Years later, a new team tried to replicate the recipe. They did everything right. Same gas, or same sparks. But they changed one small detail. They didn't use glass test tubes. They used Teflon. The result? Nothing. Silence. No life blocks. No reaction. The soup remained dead. The recipe hadn't changed. So the container must have been the key. The secret ingredient wasn't the lightning. It was the glass itself. Glass contains silica. In the early Earth, silica was everywhere. In rocks, in sand, in the crust. The experiment only worked because the container was chemically active. It acted like molecular cement. It forced the chaotic chemicals to stick together. Without this stone stabilizer, they drifted apart. What they created weren't true cells. They were protocells. Think of a biological car without an engine. They are technically alive. Yet they behave like they are. They have a skin. They can eat. They can grow. They just lack the DNA driver. But with silica stabilizing them, these zombie cells could survive the Hadean Earth. This changes our timeline completely. Life didn't need a calm, cool Earth. It likely started 4 billion years ago, right in the hellfire of formation. Searching for the exact location. Maybe deep vents. Maybe comets. But we know the architect. It was the rock itself.